What are you on, Fish? You may be on something, but I gotta go check my settings. Okay, I turned pro off. So does that mean my white balance that's on 54 goes off as well? Because I set it to AWB, auto white balance. Now my EV value is on negative 0.03, and that should stay that way. The only thing that's probably going to change is just the shutter speed that the camera is going to choose and the ISO that it's going to choose. So I am on color enhanced on. I am not on 10-bit. So what's the difference between color and 10-bit, color enhanced and 10-bit? You tell me. I'd love to hear your thoughts on that. I use the frame, and now I'm not with the frame, because if I use the frame, my Logitech wireless mic won't fit. The frame takes up space. It is what it is, man. I got bungee cord. I got like a handful for $1. Nah, it's not $1 anymore. It's like almost $4. It'll last me a while. Hopefully it'll, take care of the box and the little things I put on my bike and so forth. Problem with bungee cord with me, I forget to wrap it around, and it gets around the spoke of the tire, and sure enough, pop goes the weasel. Well, this video is about color enhance. Does it look good to you? Am I bright? Is the sky got color? It's got whiteness in it. It's like a baby blue. It's cloudy, definitely indeed. I did some inside shots, my reviews with the camera with my Logitech mic, and I don't have any sun popping in, but I got like a little flare that sits on the corner. So now, does that mean I should go shop for some ND filters? You have any for me to review? It feels like an RC boat day. Definitely indeed. It's warm. Oh yeah. I'm gonna go get some fun, and that's what this bungee's all about. I think I used my camera about 20 minutes ago, and it still turns on instantaneously. Oh well, I'm here with the DRC on the back of the bike, and I put a bungee cord around it, and I'm heading out before it gets too nasty, and tomorrow it's gonna rain, so I'm gonna go get a run. My second run, and I wanna make sure I check my speed control on it, the trim that is. I'm here, my usual spot, and you can see it's lower tire than usual, and I'm pretty good over here with no obstacles, because if I turn around, I got a rock and all this I could hit. So I'm not sure if I'm going to hit anything else on the other side. Those look like old pears, as you can see. I wasn't smart. I forgot my neck strap with my other camera, so I can do this. I'm just gonna have to put my camera down and do a second run fun test. Winter time, you want to make sure your light posts stay running. I do want to take this speed control and turn it maximum. Oh, it's maximum all right. I want to adjust my trim. My trim looks like it's leveled. Dedicated to my gig user. You always want to make sure everything works before you throw it in. Let's go for a run. How far can we go? Now I can always go down the road and pick this up. How far can I see it? That's the question. I'm past those things. I'm gonna turn around. I'm gonna do a full run. As soon as I get, I lost control. All right. The gentleman saw me lose control. He let me know. I'm on land. I'm beached. All right. I could back out, but that's as far as I can go. All right. So I'm gonna go pick her up, look it over, throw it back in, flips over, and off we go. Single-handedly running it. Okay, so what I'm going to go do is I'm going to leave it there till I get back where I need to be at. I definitely went a good number of yards. And that is not 30 miles per hour for sure. That is like 20, 22. A little drag, who knows. So that means I could go from here all the way across and back without an issue. And that was my other boat. And I'm mighty fine with that distance from where I'm at to where I'm at. So I know how far I can go before I lose control. All right, off I go, a little hesitation. Woohoo! That's called the flip. Right on camera. Oh, look at that thing skim on top, almost hydroplaned. A little choppy. Woohoo! That is fun. I don't need to go that far. Look at it skip. That is hopping along. So I'm going to go down, all the way down. I'm going to turn around. Nice wide turn. I'm still turning on a nice figure 8. I'll make a nice cut and continue on. Full throttle, full woot. I've been running for 5 minutes. That's going from one end to the other and back. So I got another 8 minutes of fun. I should get a low warning indicator later on. I get off the throttle some. And that thing just did like a 180 on me. I am going to readjust the trim to the speed all the way down to 0. And it goes. That's down to 0. That is real slow for a kid. That is slow on 0. Now I'm going to adjust it all the way to clockwise. And I'm going to go out now. So you can see the big difference of slow and fast. Oh man, she did a flip in there. And it just self-rights like that. This may be a boat you want to get, but remember, online parts are not available, only at DRC. Let me do it this way. The sun's not in your eyes. I took everything off. I got some water inside. I'm not sure if it's a lot of water. I guess it's just, you know, it lays there. But it's all right. I'll go home. Gonna clean it up a little. What a hobby. You can love and hate it as well. You're gonna hate it because the fun is over. You're gonna love it when you have the fun. I'm not gonna be out here every day, maybe once a week. I had my fun, so this basically, the run, I could say, yeah, it was like $40 of fun. My next run, it'll be 20, and so forth, until I could break it down that it costs me nothing to run. Loads of fun, but over time, over the months, the years, I'll probably, have that little fun factor just wear out just a little. This hobby is always fun. Never give it up. You give it up and put it away, you're gonna miss all that fun.